this is the ELIZE from AMAZ TV, which is a 21-year-old TV factory in China. Except the factory in Guangzhou, China, we also have our own factory in Ethiopia, Africa. Now we are establishing our own AMAZ brand industry zone in Africa. We supply complete TV and also SKD CKD. We produce 24-inch, 32-inch, 40-inch, 43-inch, 50-inch, 55-inch, and also this big size like 65-inch, 75-inch, 85-inch. Now the largest size we can produce is 100-inch. As we all know that big size not only requires the fancy design, the high technology, and also it means very strictly quality control so that it can enable the quality is quite stable when reached to each normal family. So today let's see how AMAZ do quality control. Let's go!